Background noise can instantly make a video sound unprofessional. Things like fan noise, traffic, keyboard sounds, echo, or static can distract viewers and reduce audio quality. The good news is that Adobe Premiere Pro includes built-in tools that can help clean up your audio without needing advanced sound software. So in this full guide, I'll show you how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro step by step in 2026. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and load the project that contains the noisy audio. Now click on the audio clip or video clip that contains the unwanted background noise. To access the audio tools more easily, switch to the Audio workspace at the top of Premiere Pro. Inside the Audio workspace, open the Essential Sound panel. This is where Premiere Pro provides automatic audio cleanup tools. Now assign the clip as dialogue, so Premiere Pro can apply voice-focused enhancement tools more accurately. Under the Repair section, enable Reduce Noise to remove background sounds like fan noise, hiss, or room noise. And that's your full guide on how to remove background noise in Premiere Pro in 2026. Hopefully now you have a clear understanding of how to clean up audio and improve your video sound quality using Premiere Pro.